Shrimp is rich in protein, packed with vitamins and minerals, low in calorie, and it has B vitamins and healthy fats. I have noticed people refrain from eating shrimp for fear of increasing the cholesterol levels. So please keep in mind that there are two kinds. There's the HDL, which is the high density lipoprotein, which is the good cholesterol, and you have the LDL, which is the low density lipoprotein, which is the bad cholesterol. So although eating shrimp does increase the overall cholesterol levels, it is the HDL that plays a major role in that. Shrimp seems to be the favorite of many, and if you love to consume shellfish every day, make sure you bring your quantities down. This is to avoid the buildup of mercury in your system. Before we get started with baking, you must first clean the shrimp. So remove the shell and devein it. So deveining is a process of removing the black strip that goes across the back of the shrimp, and that's the intestinal tract. So removing this will ensure a less grainy texture, and it will also enhance the flavor. So today's baked shrimp is a quick and healthy meal that you can prepare for your family. You could have it with a side of rice or bread.